Senior officials from Oil India Limited and NBCC India Limited recently reviewed Asia's first of its kind core repository facility located at Narangi in Assam, marking a significant milestone for India's energy research and geological data preservation efforts. The review was conducted by Saloma Yomdo, Director Exploration and Development, OIL. NBCC India Limited has informed the stock exchanges that it has awarded work contracts totaling 955.13 crore rupees during the quarter ended June 30, 2026. These contracts were awarded in the normal course of business through its CPG division. India's energy sector is preparing for a transformative milestone as HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited advances the development of the country's first greenfield integrated refinery cum petrochemical complex at Pachpadra in Rajasthan. Backed by an investment of 79,459 crore rupees, the project represents one of India's most significant industrial and energy infrastructure initiatives in recent decades. Canara Bank has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Telangana state government to offer best-in-class salary accounts to all state government employees. The MOU was signed on 25th June 2026 in the presence of several senior dignitaries. To keep up with India's soaring electricity needs during the peak summer heat, state-run mining giant Coal India Limited has ramped up its distribution significantly. In a fresh regulatory filing submitted to the NSE and BSE, the Maharatna company announced that it pushed 51.44 million tons (MT) of coal directly to the country's power plants in June 2026 alone. Jammu and Kashmir Bank Limited has signed corporate agency agreements with two leading insurance companies, SBI Life Insurance Company Limited and HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. The agreements were signed today and became effective immediately. RailTel has secured a new 16.20 crore rupees order from Haryana State Electronics Development Corporation Limited for managing the state's communication network infrastructure. The company informed the stock exchanges that it has received a work order for an operation and management contract as a managed service provider for the Haryana statewide area network. Three of India's biggest energy players, GAIL, Mahanagar Gas Limited, MGL, and Reliance Industries, have just joined forces. They signed a three-way agreement to supply and sell compressed biogas in the Latur and Dharashiv regions. This move is part of the government's special scheme to mix renewable biogas into regular city gas networks, making it easier for everyday drivers to access cleaner fuel. Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited has successfully completed the direct assignment of a large loan portfolio from its wholly owned subsidiary, Kotak Mahindra Investments Limited. The bank has acquired a loan portfolio aggregating to an outstanding amount of 9,587.62 crore rupees as on July 1, 2026. In a significant administrative move, the Government of India has approved the entrustment of additional charge of the post of Chief Vigilance Officer of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Delhi, to Senior Indian Railway Stores Service Officer Pramod Kumar Chaudhary.